You are who you are.
Okay, so Jeremy, can you do one more? Wait. And don't talk this time.
Oh, man.